Here's a thought that might sting a little. Most people read the Bible, but very few actually let it read them back. Psalm 95 isn't one of those chapters you skim for comfort and move on. It confronts, invites, and then quietly exposes where joy turned into routine. It promises rest, yet warns that praise without listening can harden the heart, which feels almost counterintuitive in a world that says enthusiasm is enough. This psalm explains why so many sing but still feel empty, why they read chapters yet miss transformation. Psalm 95 offers a surprising solution. True praise isn't louder songs, it's a responsive heart, and once that clicks, everything changes. Then, let's read the chapter together. Come, let us sing for joy to the Lord. Let us shout aloud to the rock of our salvation. Let us come before him with thanksgiving and extol him with music and song. For the Lord is the great God, the great King above all gods. In his hand are the depths of the earth, and the mountain peaks belong to him. The sea is his, for he made it, and his hands formed the dry land. Come, let us bow down and worship. Let us kneel before the Lord our Maker, for he is our God, and we are the people of his pasture, the flock under his care. Today, if only you would hear his voice. Do not harden your hearts as you did at Meribah, as you did that day at Massah in the wilderness, where your ancestors tested me. They tried me, though they had seen what I did. For 40 years I was angry with that generation. I said, "There are people whose hearts go astray, and they have not known my ways." So I declared on oath in my anger, "They shall never enter my rest." Let's say a quick prayer to thank the Lord for his mercy. God, thank you for what you showed us through Psalm 95. Thank you for the clarity, the reminders, and even the gentle warnings we needed to hear. We're grateful not just for the words we read in the Bible, but for the understanding you planted in our hearts. Now help us live this out. Teach us to praise before we complain, to trust when control feels safer, and to listen when you speak. Keep our hearts soft, attentive, and willing, so this knowledge doesn't stay on the page, but shapes our everyday choices. Walk with us today, Shepherd, and help us respond to you with joy and obedience. Amen. Now the real question isn't whether you've read Psalm 95, but whether you'll respond to it when today puts pressure on your faith. Which part spoke loudest? The call to joyful praise, the security of belonging to the Shepherd, or the warning against a hardened heart when life rushes you? Will you choose to read the Bible with intention, to explain its truth through your actions, and to live these chapters out loud? What would change this week if praise came before complaints, trust replaced control, and obedience happened without delay? Psalm 95 doesn't ask for perfection. It asks for attention, and that's where transformation quietly begins. So here's the challenge. Don't let this be another chapter you admired but never applied. Read Psalm 95 again slowly, maybe even out loud, and choose one action today that proves your heart is still soft and listening. If this message helped you see the Bible differently, stay connected, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. These chapters hold wisdom most people rush past, and you're clearly not here to rush. And as always, don't forget to check the last video and learn more about the scriptures.